Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. If you watch Stranger Things, you'll know the cool way to talk to your friends back in the 80s was with a walkie-talkie. Well, now you can bring that coolness to your business in 2022. After a year of testing, a walkie-talkie feature is now available within Microsoft Teams on your phone. It works on both Android and iOS devices, so long as they're connected to the internet. There's no need to call anyone. Like a real walkie-talkie, you just push a button on your phone to speak, and everyone in your team can hear you. It even works if your phone is locked. It's aimed at frontline workers and employees who deal with customers. But imagine how useful it could be uniting staff who work remotely. Before you start using it, someone with admin authority will need to make sure it's enabled. If you need a hand getting it set up, just give us a call. That's your tech update. More next week.